English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Believe it or not, defeat, forbidden. Believe it or not. Believe it or not is a phrase. B1 learners usually know believe it or not. We use believe it or not to show that something is true, even when it may be a surprise. Here are some examples. Believe it or not, I used to be very shy. I finished the book you gave me, believe it or not. It sounds like a game, but, believe it or not, it is very hard work. Defeat. Defeat is a noun and a verb. B1 learners usually know defeat. A defeat is a loss, while to defeat someone or something is to win. Here are some examples. Napoleon suffered a defeat at Waterloo. We will need to play our best to defeat their team. The North defeated the South in the American Civil War. Forbidden. Forbidden is an adjective. B1 learners usually know forbidden. Forbidden means not allowed, especially by law. Here are some examples. Photography is forbidden in the theatre. Athletes are forbidden from using drugs to perform better. Dogs are forbidden to use the beach between May and September. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with believe it or not, defeat, forbidden. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for free CEFR B1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.